This is a quick tutorial on how to use an amiibolink. But first of all, what is an amiibolink? An amiibolink is this keychain shaped device that works via Bluetooth and NFC. Mine is already open as I've been using it, but it arrives in this box and inside of it there's an instruction manual. But what can we do with an amiibolink? With an amiibolink we can pretend it's any amiibo that we want for our favorite consoles. It works with a button battery that can be easily changed, and the only thing you need to do to use it is press the button on the other side. But now, how do we program the amiibos that we want to use? For that, we're going to need a phone. The first thing we're going to do is download the .bin files of the amiibos that we are going to use. I'm already showing you that I have downloaded them. Even if it's a .zip file, inside of it there's a lot of .bin files. The next step is opening the App Store and installing the Umiibo app so we can use the .bin files that we downloaded before. Once it's installed, we can open the app, but we will find out that it's completely empty. So what we need to do now is add the info that we downloaded before, the .bin files. So now we head to our file manager and we search for the zip file that contains all the .bin files that we want to use. And what we do now is share it with the app Umiibo. It may take a few seconds to load, but please be patient. We want all of the files to load correctly. And now I would recommend to take a look at every single game to make sure that the files are loading correctly. Now that we know everything is okay, we're reaching back for our amiibolink. What we do now is search for the amiibo that we want to use. The first time that we use it, it will request a permission to use your location. It is necessary to allow this in order to be able to use the amiibolink. And now to write the amiibo data, we won't need to touch the Bluetooth settings, even though it says that this device can connect through Bluetooth. What we're going to do is just press the button and we will see a blinking green light. That means the device is ready to receive the data. So what we do in the app is press the button, write the data. The first time it may give an error. We just press confirm and we try again. Sorry about this weird cut. I was using a really old phone and I was having trouble linking the amiibolink with the phone. But we are repeating it again. I'm going to search for Animal Crossing amiibo. Anyone will work as long as it belongs to the game that you're going to play. What we do now is just press the button. We will see the blinking green light again, so it's ready to receive the data. We press write data and we wait until the green light becomes steady and we hear a beep noise. Once that happens, it means the amiibo data has been written to the amiibolink, so now we can use it on our console. I am taking my new 3DS, where I already opened the Animal Crossing Wild World game, and I opened the camera amiibo. What I'm doing is I'm making the console search for amiibos, and I'm placing the amiibolink on the screen. And as you can see, it immediately appears. I'm going to do the process again, so I'm taking my phone back and I'm going to search for another amiibo. Once again, it's going to be from Animal Crossing as I have already opened the game. I press the button until the blinking light appears and write the data until the green light becomes steady and I hear the beep. Now again we go back to the 3DS. We press again for it to search for amiibos and we place it back on the screen. and it immediately appears. And that's it. I hope you enjoy your amiibolink and you get the max out of it.